If you want to enable step counter and add it to the home screen on your Motorola smartphone, then in that case we can use, for example, the Fitbit app, which is a Google app that is nowadays pre-installed, I believe, on Motorola smartphones. At least I think so. However, if you don't have the Fitbit app, then of course we can go to the Play Store and you can search for Fitbit over here. And of course you should be able to download the app quite easily. Now also, if you don't really want to use this app, you can just search for like Pedometer or something like that, or step counter, and you can try to use different apps. You don't really have to use specifically the Fitbit app, but I'm just saying that you can because it is pretty simple to set up. You can use your Google account to quickly set up the profile. You can also make some useful adjustments, like for example, if we go to the activity settings, then over here we can, let's say, adjust steps that we want to do per day. And also we have widgets. So if we go to widgets over here, we can add the Fitbit widget app over here. We have this 2x2 widget. We can place it on the home screen. So let's say I'm going to place it in here, and you can actually make it much smaller so it takes 1x1 space, for example. And there we go. We have a pedometer on the home screen. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.